All right, day 10 in our 30-day series here. So this is day 10 in the series, and in this video, I'm going to introduce to you another traffic source that you could start using in your best easy work business. You could never have enough traffic sources, so that's why in these features here, I'm going to feature a couple traffic sources that you could have. Now, you could decide how you want to approach them. You could certainly pick your favorites, pick a time schedule that you want to use them. So this is going to be an introduction to more traffic sources that you could start using so you could start getting traffic to your best easy work link. Because the name of the game is traffic. You have to go out there and get traffic, and lots of traffic coming into your site, seeing your best easy work business, and then, with this exposure, that's when the numbers start working in your favor. So today's traffic source, diving right into it, the name of this traffic source is called Traffic G. So this is number 5 traffic source that you have in your arsenal now. So you certainly should be going out there every day and advertising using one of these traffic sources or using multiple traffic sources in order to get maximum amount of traffic to your site. So this traffic source, you can start using today. It's a free site. It's a free traffic source. So you could check the description box today for the action step to actually get access to go to the site, sign up, and start using it. So this is what the traffic site looks like. When you go to the page, this is going to be the front, the intro of the page. Traffic G, you can see you could join for free. It tells you the total number of members, so you are getting an exposure to a lot of people here. So you want to click the join free button when you go to the site, and when you go to the site to join, you're going to enter in your name, your email address. Make sure you use your disposable or junk email address. Click enter, and then when you click enter, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. Now this page, after you put in your username, password to create an account, it's going to take you to a page like this that's going to ask you what site do you want to advertise. So right off the bat, they're helping you out by asking you what site do you want to advertise. Let's get you some advertisement to your site here. So you want to keep everything. It's going to ask you what language you want to advertise in. Perfectly fine. It's going to ask you to put a website name. Now what you want to do with the website name is just give it something memorable that you can remember. So whatever your business is. So if it's not Best Easy Work, whatever your business is, stick it in there. So if you want to advertise some product, put that product name in there. So it clues you in what it is. And then you're going to put the link that you want to advertise. Now, like I remember, I have a lead capture page that I advertise with, so that's what I put on these traffic exchanges, and just about any marketing I do, that's what I use when it asks for a URL. So you want to put whatever your system plan is, you're going to put the link in there for people to go to that website and check out your information. Interest of channels. So if you want to target, right, people with a certain interest, this is where you'd pick it. So you click this drop down menu here. Of course you can leave it blank, but you click this drop down menu here, you'll see you have some options of who you want to advertise to. And then you want to make sure for geo-targeting you click North America, because if we're in the US, you definitely want to have more English speaking people coming into your business. So you click North America, and you can leave this blank. It says it's optional, you can leave it blank. And then direct your category. Where do you want to put this ad? They're asking where should we put this ad so people can see it. So you can hit the drop down menu, scroll through, and find something that you like. I picked the Earn Online Opportunities here, and then you could click Add Site. And when you click Add Site, it pretty much takes you to the back office, and you're all logged in. So it's a very simple, easy process to get signed up for this traffic exchange. So let me take you to the back office of my back office here. So this is the back office of Traffic G. A very simple platform, very clean, very, very nice. You can see that it tells you how you've surfed, and it tells you after you log in. So that site that you just added. So when we're on this part where you added your site, when you come to the back office, if you scroll down after being on the main page here, so you're on the main stats page. You scroll down a bit, you'll see that ad listed here, and it will tell you how many visitors. But you need to surf for credits first in order before you can actually start having visitors, because for every ad you surf, someone is going to see your ad. So that's why you want to do your surfing, to get those credits so people can see your ad. So let me show you how you can start surfing. So very simple process. You could hit surf for credits here. So that's one spot you could hit surf for credits or surf now. So either one you do, and let me show you how simple this is. You click surf for credits, and then you kind of scroll down here and hit start surfing. So this gives you an option of choosing what you want. If you have a different language, you could choose what you want and hit start surfing. Once you hit start surfing, this is what the surf platform looks like. So this is a platform, how it looks. It pretty much it counts down, and when it counts down, you're supposed to just match what you see here to what's in this box here. So if I click that, you'll see it jumps onto another ad, and it told me I earned 4 credits. And so the other ad is displayed. You see it's counting down. You know, the thing is, you can check these things out. You got some time, and when the ad is all done, the timer is done, you click the matching corresponding symbol, whatever it is. And so I'm just going to do one more so you can see the process of it. And we got 4 seconds here. So you can check things out. If it interests you, take advantage of it. If it's not your thing, not your thing. But you see you're earning credits here. And that one's done. Okay. So I'll stop surfing now. And then when you want to go back to your account, you see this part right here. You can click here to go back to your account. And now you're back in your account. So simple process. So now you can even go and add another site, because you already have one when you first signed up. You can see I got more credits here. So I got more credits happening there. I could actually go and add another add-on here. So I could add a site. When I click add a site, the language is English. I could put BEW. So that's Best Easy Work, and I could put number 2. So this is the second time I'm advertising there. And I could, get my lead capture page here, and then I could put it back on the platform. So if you have multiple lead capture pages, you could put different ones on here. So this is just one example. I'm putting the same one, but normally I just use a different lead capture page. Interest channel. So pick an interest channel that best describes the content on your site. So I'm just going to put that it's more opportunity oriented. So this is online business. And for geo-targeting, this is the important part here. You want to make sure that you're picking North America. Or, if you want to pick countries, let's see here, the United States. So you got the United States. So if your opportunity is, say, worldwide, you could definitely pick North America so you get a good span. But if your opportunity is more controlled in the U.S. or it works better, so I'm just going to pick the U.S. because I just want folks in the U.S. since Best Easy Work really works well if I communicate with folks in the U.S. And that one's optional. I'm just going to hit Add Site. And I'm going to scroll down here, and you can see my Best Easy Work number 2 have been added. And I can start surfing for credits and then add some credits to here as well. And then these will be running in the background. And you can see I have one visitor that went to the site already. So that's Traffic G, a very simple process, very clean platform. Easy to sign up, easy to use. You can use this every day. And that's what you want to do. Have a process where you're advertising constantly, because the more, you can never get enough traffic. The more traffic you're getting to your sites, to whatever your marketing system is, the more activity and results you'll have. So go ahead, check the description box today. Check out Traffic G, sign up. Definitely add your site, get some credits, and start this process going. Also I want to mention this one also have some upgrades. So if you're tired of surfing, you could always, upgrade your account to get credits without having to surf. So if that's an issue for you, you have the funds to upgrade so you don't have to surf for credits. Definitely, you decide how you want to approach it, but just so you know that you do have that option. But this platform is free if you're starting out on a really tight budget. You could definitely do it free or use this as a paid traffic source where you don't have to surf for credits. So check the description box, you'll get the link, and definitely check out what's in the back office here because there's a lot more things that I haven't touched on.